Hola, welcome. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic today is car flipping. How to flip cars while working a full-time job. Number one, this is going to be very tricky and buyers are very demanding. They want it right here and right now. So you're going to have to be a great saleswoman or man to pull this off. And you're going to have great time management. Number two, you're going to have to be very honest with your clients and tell them you're flipping cars on the side so they understand exactly where you're coming from. But also, you got to be very accommodating. Number three, your full-time job will allow you to have cash flow in your car flipping business and also your personal life. So you want to be cautious not to quit your full-time job anytime soon before you have some serious cash flow. Number four, you have to utilize your time very efficiently. And I'm talking about even your breaks and your lunches. You have to follow up with potential car buyers on these breaks and lunches religiously. No time for social media and distractions. Number five, you need to be proactive at work. This way you get all your job done on time every day. This way you can run out and get to your car flipping business. It's imperative. Number six, be honest with your boss about your car flipping business. It never hurts to ask. This way, your boss understands fully and completely what you're doing and may give you some leeway. Number seven, don't allow clients to come to your workplace for any reason. It's a bad idea. Even if they buy a car and they have a problem and they show up at your workplace and make a big nightmare for you, you just don't want to do this. It's out of the question. Number eight, don't bite more than you can chew. What I mean is that don't try to flip too many cars while you're working. You're better off being more realistic and working efficiently with both areas, and you'll be way more successful. Number nine, you could ask your work if you're allowed to put up a poster in the front lobby, in the lunchroom, a business card at the front desk. This will really help you advertise yourself in your workplace and get you a lot of clients. Number 10, treat your car flipping business exactly what it is, a business, meaning if you do it part-time or full-time, you put in the hours it requires for that commitment. Click on the links below for my ebooks, courses, and merchandise at MasterofFinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on TikTok and Instagram, and like us on Facebook at Carvelli Master of Finance. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos. And don't forget to check out Carvelli.Foundation for some great causes. It's time you get the help you deserve today. Much love. Thanks so much. God bless.